Minute Maid time!
Hey, it's Minute Maid time. Come on. And here's what we're going to make today. A spoon alien. It's out of this world! Actually, it's made out of a plastic spoon. Yeah. And to make it, you will need some green stickers, a green plastic spoon, a green pipe cleaner, a black pen, a glue stick, and we'll also need some googly eyes and some air drying clay, which you can get from an art and craft shop. I'll be back before you can say, oh, he's gone to the shop again. I've got them. Here are my googly eyes, and I've got some air drying clay, and it's been rolled into two small balls like that, and a slightly larger sausage shape. There we go. Now, do you think it's possible to make this in just 1 minute?
No way!
Oh, well, thank you, Toki. I think I can do it, although I will have to be very quick. Don't worry, though. I'll remind you how to do it at the end. Are you ready? Great! Let's make it in a minute! Right, get the green plastic spoon and the googly eyes, and we're going to glue them on to the back of the spoon like this. There's one. There's one googly eye. Let's get the other one. There we go. Right, two googly eyes. Now let's get a pen and draw a nose like that and a mouth. Now let's give him ears with the stickers. There's one alien ear. Let's put another alien ear in.
Halfway there!
Halfway already. There we go, he's looking good. Now we're going to get the green pipe cleaner and wrap it around the spoon to give him arms. There's one arm. There's another arm like that. And now let's put these balls of clay onto the ends. These are going to be the hands. There we go, there's one. And there's the other one. And now if we get this sausage of clay and squeeze it into feet, we can stick in a spoon alien. I did it!
Only just?
Yes, that was quite close actually, but if you've got more than a minute, you can wait for the clay to dry and then paint your alien a nice alien colour, like green. In fact, you could make a whole family of aliens. How about a silver alien, made with a plastic silver spoon and a glittery pipe cleaner? Or even a tiny alien, made by carefully cutting a plastic spoon in half. Spoon aliens made in a minute. Why don't you try it? Here's a reminder of how to do it.
Let's go back to the beginning and take another look. Stick two googly eyes to the back of your spoon. Draw on a nose and a mouth. Add stickers for ears and wrap a pipe cleaner around the spoon to make arms. Then press two small lumps of clay to the ends of the pipe cleaner for hands. And finally, stand the spoon up in a lump of clay and you've made your spoon alien.
Why don't you try and make it in a minute?